let's review some two-step equations. So some of these are more than 2 steps. So we are solving for the variable. So one thing I always want to do is draw a line down the equal sign. That way I know what's on the left side, what's on the right side. I want to get the z all by itself. So right now I have this negative 5z, but I also have this 26. So I'm going to move the 26 first by doing the inverse. The inverse is the opposite operation. So this is a positive 26. So I'm going to subtract 26. Okay, so we're going to carry down this negative 5z. So you want to do negative 49 minus 26. So put that in. What do we get? Negative 75. So this canceled out, so I was able to cross that out, and I was just left with the negative 5z. So now I look at this operation, negative 5 times z. So how do I get z by itself? Divide by the negative 5. So negative 75 divided by a negative 5. 15. And it is positive because negative divided by negative is positive. Hopefully this is coming back to you, even just a little bit. Okay, draw your line down your equal sign. Number 2. Okay, what operation do we do first? Add. We'll do the fraction at the end. We want to get rid, because this is one whole unit, which is a fraction, but then we have this minus 11. So we want to get rid of the plus or minus first. So we'll plus 11 on both sides. And I get negative x over 8 equals negative 2 plus 11. 9. Or you could say 11 minus 2. Okay, now look at what's happening here. So it's over 8, but what operation does that mean? So this is divide, so the opposite is multiply. We're going to multiply both sides by 8. We could do one extra thing there, but I'm going to wait and just leave it as negative x equals 9 times 8? 72, but we have this negative x. So I need it to be positive x. So I can divide by a negative, or just know that you would change signs on both of them. I'm going to divide by a negative 1. So we have 72 divided by a negative 1. Negative 72. There could have been an easier way to do this. I kind of took a longer route. Up here, I could have multiplied by a negative 8. If I would have multiplied by a negative 8, that would have become a positive x. And then that's a negative 72, which is the same answer I got here. Okay, let's go to number 3. Draw your line down your equal sign. 24 equals 4 parentheses 3x minus 3. What operation do we need to do? Multiply, which is distributing, yep. So it's 24 equals, because I still have 24 equals, 4 times 3, 12x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Okay, so what do we need to do? Add 12, actually, because I need to move what's on the same side as the variable. (24 plus 12? 36. Okay, and then what do I do? Divide by 12 on both sides. Three equals x. Or couldn't I just put x equals 3? They mean the same thing. Okay, draw your line down your equal sign. Number 4, last one. Okay, I have variable on both sides. So my step 1 is to get the variable on the same side. So do I want to move the 3x or move the 7x? Negative 7x. You could do it either way. You know what I like to do? I like to move the smaller one to the other side. So which one's smaller, 3x or negative 7x? Negative 7. So I'm going to do plus 7x to both sides. Three x plus 7x, 10x plus 5 equals 25. Minus 5 on both sides. So 10x equals 25 minus 5, 20. And then what? Divide by 10 to get x equals 2.